been precedents in the past where there have been two deputy CMs, so there's nothing wrong in it. And also it is a strong representation of the different areas and regions of our state. It sends a positive message of inclusiveness, and that is the reason why we've gone ahead.
When will you distribute the portfolios to the cabinet ministers?
Within the next 24 hours to 48 hours.
What's the name of the Home Minister?
In the next 24 hours to 48 hours. And we'll continue to focus on the areas which we have been working on in the last 5 years. Primarily to ensure that overall infrastructure improvement is there. We are working very hard towards the social sectors improvement like health and education and social welfare. And of course, we are giving a lot of importance to the youth, especially when it comes to employment issues and the livelihood issues. So those are going to be one of the main concerns and areas where this government is going to focus on. And like I had said 5 years back in the same place when I had taken oath, that we have realized that the overall delivery mechanism, overall efficiency at the grassroots level is something that needs to be improved. We improved that in the last 5 years. The same schemes which were implemented in the previous years did much better in the last 5 years because of the accountability, the monitoring that we did. And we'll continue to ensure that the impact at the grassroots level of different programs and schemes is felt to the maximum level.